Your security team is stretched too thin. Do they have alert fatigue, managing overwhelming numbers of tools, and struggling to keep with the latest threats? Meanwhile, cybercriminals are moving faster than ever, using AI-driven attacks to bypass outdated defenses. You're invested in security solutions, but technology alone isn't enough. Without the right team, strategy, and support, even the best tools fail to protect your business. That's why so many enterprises are turning to managed security services. But not all providers are the same. Most managed security services take one-size-fits-all approach, offering generic solutions that don't align with the reality of your business. They flood you with reports, but leave your team to figure out what actually needs to be done. And then when a real security event happens, you're stuck waiting in a queue while your risk escalates and puts your business at risk. That's not how security should work. We provide hands-on, high-touch managed security services designed to support your team and not replace them. We integrate seamlessly into your existing security operations, filling critical gaps and ensuring that your defenses are always one step ahead of the threats. With BlackLake Security, you get a proactive security management offering that serves as an extension of your team that also understands your environment. Whether you need continuous monitoring, vulnerability management, or instant response, or security automation, we provide the support that lets your internal team focus on what matters. And unlike traditional MSSPs, we don't just throw alerts over the fence and expect your team to handle them. We work side by side with you, providing clear guidance, actionable insights, and expertise to solve the challenges before they become a crisis. Technology isn't everything, it's about execution. That's why leading enterprises trust us to manage their security with speed, clarity, and precision. If your security team is overwhelmed, and if you're not getting the value you should from your current security investments, or if simply you need a partner who will work with you instead of against you, it's time to take action. Send an SOS today, and let's bring clarity now to your managed security strategy.